This heavy-duty set includes a 15-foot power cord constructed with pure copper wiring to safely deliver up to 12,500 watts of electricity. Installation is significantly simplified by the pre-drilled generator inlet box, which features a robust waterproof casing to withstand harsh weather conditions. Users can rely on the safety of this system as it holds both UL and ETL certifications and operates effectively in temperatures ranging from -4 to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. The protective flip cover incorporates a clear power indicator light that provides immediate visual confirmation of the connection status day or night. A flame-retardant PVC jacket shields the internal wiring from fire hazards while offering superior resistance against damage from ultraviolet light and heat. Transporting and organizing the equipment is effortless thanks to the included carrying strap and storage bag designed for compact stowing.